Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a rainbow Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this beautiful Squishmallow, let's first start by drawing a tall curve for the rainbow. So I'm going to start right here and go up. So let's see. So we're still kind of aiming to draw the Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to go up and then it's going to be narrow towards the top. Nice and high. So let's say about right here. It's our curve, nice tall curve, and then we're going to start to bring it down. So let's see here, let's keep going. Bring it down to, just want to kind of end at the same height. So say about right here. There, so we got our nice arc for our rainbow. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and cut it off with some clouds. So I'm just going to say about right here, I'm going to come in here with a curve. I'm going to go down. And so we're just going to come down with these nice fluffy clouds. So say about right here. Then we're going to draw another smaller one. And then one right in the center. So let's say about right here in the center. Draw another nice cloud, nice curve, and then we're going to, oops, sorry, curve again just like the other side, and then another big curve. So we're just trying to make it nice and even on both sides. There. So now that we have this curve in, let's see here, let's just bring this down. And then we're going to come out right about here and draw a curve coming down. So we just want to come up here just to make it look like the cloud is going around the rainbow. It's holding the rainbow, I mean. It almost looks like clouds holding an egg, right? So now that we have that, let's go ahead and bring it down and curve it. So though we're drawing a rainbow, we are still trying to draw a Squishmallow. So you need to bring it in and then say about right here, I'm just gonna come in a little bit and then come out towards the center and then come back in. There. Oh, so nice and fluffy. Okay, so then from there, and if you like, actually, let's see here, let's bring this down nice and light. See here. You can do this when you're coloring if you don't want like a harsh line. You can use maybe like a light blue just to make it fluffy. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the top right here. We're going to draw a sun. So I'm just going to come right in this area and draw like maybe half of a circle and just pop it in this area. And then we need to draw the rays. So I'm just going to go ahead and go soften these points and just go all the way around. There for my sun. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and bring this rainbow to life before we draw in all the curves. So say about this area right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve for some happy eyes. And I'll just come back in here and thicken this all up. And so same thing on the other side. So let's say about right here. Do the same thing. There. And then of course a sweet smile right in the center. And cap it off. Aw. And then a curve right above each eye. And then from there we need to draw the curves for our different colors. So I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to follow the Squishmallow. So let's say about right here, the original, and I'll just give myself a point right about here. just so I know where I'm going with this curve. So I'm going to go up towards the center and come right back down to my curve. So I'm definitely going to need to do a lot of adjustments, so bear with me here and bear with my mess. And then we need to draw another one, say about right here. So we're going to end about the same, and this one is going to go through the eye. So just trying to do a little bit lighter. So that's about my center, and then I'm going to start to bring it right back down. Okay, so that's another one, and then 1, 2, and one more. So here and here, we're going to go up over the eye so that we don't have to touch the eye, and then come back down. About there, and one last one. So definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to. And I will definitely go in there and clean up my mess. So hopefully you're using a pencil so you can make any adjustments you need for these curves. There, something like that. And then let's see, last but not least, of course we need to add a heart right here. And I'm just going to come in here real quick and clean up my mess. So I got my whiteout pen, but hopefully you're using a pencil so you don't need to do this. And now that I'm looking at this drawing, I think I don't like these lines here. Kind of makes it look weird. So I'm going to erase this. And then if anything, I'll just use like a light blue to put in these lines. Definitely not a black line. It looks really, I don't know, it just doesn't look right. So I'm just going to erase it. There. So I'm going to erase this one a little bit more. Okay, much better, right? Hopefully. And let's see, oops. It was a little too juicy when I first opened it. But that is pretty much it for this drawing of a beautiful rainbow from Squishmallows. I really hope you love this drawing and that brings a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.